Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. Our product today is from oGoDeal. So basically it's a precision tools. I got it from Amazon.ca and this used for laptops. You can work on MacBook Pro, iPhone, Android phones, laptops specifically is what I got it for. PS4 controller, watches, like pretty much anything you can name, it will work on it. So we're going to go into a little bit about it. So the parcel dimensions are 20.4 by 14.4 by 14.9 centimeters. And it only weighs very light, 689 grams. Now the material, okay, just to give you a quick look at it here, all right. So they're hand powered, so of course there's no power tools, nothing like that. This is one complete package with your magnetic pad for your screws and everything, so you can keep track of them, and even a magnetizer. So if you need that, you can just use that to magnetize, either it be a screwdriver or whatever. And all these tools, of course, are magnetic. All right, you got your Phillips, your hex, your torque, your square, your triangle, your pentalo, and tri-point, and whatever else I may not have mentioned. So I'll give you a close-up of this a little bit later on, just so you can see it real good. Pretty good quality. I've used it to repair one laptop, to take it apart, and really liked it. Nothing special, but let's get a close-up, see all the different tools. Again, this is going to be a very short video. I'm kind of trying to keep them a little bit smaller, shorter, I should say, just so you can get more focus on the product, and hopefully you enjoy it. Like I say, they're all magnetic, and it even has a little adapter here, which I like. So this little adapter, so if you want to put it with a drill, you can put this into the drill, take your little bits, all right, and just put them in. Just top them in here. If I can get one out, let me see here. Yeah. Okay. Put it in. Now you can use a drill. All right. So we're gonna have a quick look at all the different ones here, up nice and close. We'll go through all these, each little tool, and just show you what they all are. Okay, so here you can get a bit of a closer look at all the different tools. There's 111 different screwdriver bits made of aluminum alloy, so they're longer lasting. Hopefully it won't scratch up on you, and will just last longer. Again, magnetic, so it makes it easier to use and pick up all your stuff. And they apparently have pretty good service. I haven't had a chance to try that, of course, which hopefully I will never have to. Again, a magnetic pad, whatever you want to call it, for putting your screws on, magnetizer, and all your different bits. So the big thing here, to me, that's more important, is for me, for a laptop. So you've got this little device here. You can put all these bits into it, screw it. Again, very handy. Comes with a couple different bits, one for prying, little pointed edge on it. And this was one I wasn't expecting, but it does show it. I just, for some reason, I guess I forgot. So it's very thin, so you can get into and kind of use it to pry up without breaking anything. Okay, so that's a nice little tool there. And of course it comes with this little device here. Okay, very flexible in case you need to get around corners or whatever to use your bits with. And in case you need to clean something or whatever, you get a little brush. This is just a pair of tweezers. All right. Nicely contained. And a couple more pry bars. You got different sizes, and this one's flat, this one's a little bit more curved. Same thing with this one here. I have one very similar to this, which I've used quite often. This one's a little bit thicker, so hopefully it'll work better. You have a metal pry one here. All right, so you can really get in there if you need to. Of course, if you're doing that, just be careful what you're using it with so you don't wind up destroying anything. Or adapter. It even has a little suction cup and a couple more. They look like guitar picks almost, but that's just used for helping you to, if you get a laptop in particular, open a little bit. Sometimes you just stick that in there, move to the next part, and just keep doing that until suddenly it just pops. Now, some laptops are incredibly easy to open, some are not. So that's why you kind of need all these tools. Same thing for Android phones, MacBook Pros, if you're going to work on those. I don't, just because the warranties usually cover most things. And if they're out of warranty, well, you don't get much service, I don't find. From what people are saying, at least, I haven't had one, so I can't verify that. So this is our complete package of what we got. That's pretty much it. Comes in a great little kit, very easy to tuck away, and you can even put this just in here and everything's contained except for maybe this, but figure out a way, I guess. That's it. Okay, so lately I've been working a little bit more on laptops and different things, so I just wanted to show you one of the things I decided to purchase to make opening up the back of some of those laptops a little bit easier. They're not always easy, and this will just make your job a lot easier. So that's it. If you like the video, hit that like. If you don't, you know what to do. If you're new here, think about subscribing, think about joining, and hit that bell for future notifications for videos as they come up. And as always, thanks for watching.